Hey everybody, what is going on? My name is Danny K, and this is Danny K Crypto, and you are back for another episode of Blockchain Breakdown, where we break down a blockchain in 10 minutes or less. Today we're going to be talking about a project called Cosmos and the Atom token. So, to get right into it, Cosmos is the next generation proof-of-stake blockchain with the simple goal of trying to connect multiple external blockchains together and allowing them to cross-chain connect and communicate with each other. Something that is actually not done very well so far in the cryptocurrency space. Some notable figureheads in the world of Cosmos, or is Jay Kwan. I'm probably pronouncing that improperly, I apologize. The co-founder and CEO of Cosmos. Ethan Butchman, he's also the other co-founder of Cosmos, and is lead developer on the Tendermint team. Yes, what is the Tendermint team? Well, the Tendermint team does the software design and development for Cosmos. And lastly, the Interchain Foundation. The Interchain Foundation is a nonprofit that supports and researches for Cosmos hubs, as well as fundraising from private industries to help develop the project. So what is the overall goal of Cosmos? Well, it basically wants to create the Internet of Blockchains, create a web and connected network that allows all blockchains to interact with each other seamlessly and without sacrificing scalability, security, decentralization, or usability. So how does it hope to solve that problem? Well, to get a little technical, the Cosmos network consists of many independent parallel blockchains called zones. Each of these zones is powered by the classic Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus protocol. Some of the zones, parallel blockchains, will act as hubs with respect to other parallel zones, allowing for multiple zones to kind of interoperate through a shared hub and communicate with each other. Architecture is a more general application of kind of Bitcoin sidechain concept, but using the classical Byzantine fault tolerance consensus, as well as a proof-of-stake algorithm instead of a proof-of-work algorithm. So what are these hubs and zones? Well, Cosmos is somewhat of a pioneer in the development and architecture of what's called hub and spoke architecture. Hubs act as routers for zones, and zones are, for lack of a better term, just application-specific blockchains. Each zone is a spoke connected to a hub. Hubs can be connected with other hubs. Together, this ecosystem of connected hubs and zones make up the Cosmos network in what we will call the Internet of Blockchains. Note that the Cosmos ecosystem is entirely permissionless, meaning that anyone can create a hub or a zone at any time, and each blockchain is free to accept or refuse connections to those other available blockchains. Also, zones only need to establish a single connection with a hub in order to interoperate with any of the other zones or blockchains that are also connected to that hub. So the original hub, or the Cosmos hub, is the first hub to be launched on the Cosmos network. Anybody is free to fork that hub and use its code base to launch other similar hubs and create their kind of own mini network, as well as connecting to multiple mini networks to create a giant network. All of this should allow for multiple blockchains of different types to be able to talk to each other, send data through each other, and allow to kind of communicate and interoperate. I know that was a little bit technical, and it is kind of hard to vocalize. There's some kind of pictures and whatnot that I've kind of showed because it's a little easier to visualize. I guess to kind of summarize, essentially Cosmos Network wants to create hubs that allow other mini networks to connect and chat with each other on multiple different blockchains. So yeah, let me know what you think about Cosmos, and do you think it's going to be vital for blockchains to be able to communicate with each other, or do you think that blockchain and blockchain projects just can do well enough just existing independently and on their own? But with that, thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave a comment, give a like if you enjoyed it, give a dislike if you didn't. I won't be mad. Feel free to subscribe if you want more content like this. My name is Danny K. This is Danny K Crypto, and I'll see you next time.